On questions like this one, there's always this temptation to do algebra, because that's what we do in school. But algebra is annoying because we have to take all the information and put it into one equation, and it's tedious and it's highly possible that we make a mistake. So what we want to do is take things one step at a time and do arithmetic instead. So we should just go ahead and start with the starting number, 400 eggs, though they do tell us that 36 of them are spoiled, so we've got to take care of that. And unfortunately, this is the no calculator section, so we're going to need to do our arithmetic by hand. Now, I'm going to go as fast as I can here for the sake of time, but you should take your time because I can edit out my mistakes. On the test, you cannot. So we've got 364 unspoiled eggs. Now go back into the question. What else can we use here? Well, we do know that there are 22 large cakes, and we do know that each large cake requires 13 eggs. So let's see how many eggs are going to get taken up by these 22 large cakes. So that's going to be 22 times 13, and 3 times 22 is 66, and then we can add, and we get 286 eggs in the large cakes. Now, with a little subtraction, we can figure out how many eggs are going to be left over for the small cakes. So 6 from 14 is 8, and 8 from 15 is 7, so that's 78 eggs left over. But each of the small cakes requires 9 eggs. So we need to take this number and divide it up to see how many small cakes we can make. Now, hopefully this math is a little bit easier. I'm going to do it the long way, but we should hopefully see that 9 is going to go into 78 8 times, because 9 times 8 is 72. And we could continue the long division, but I don't really care about the leftovers here. I'm not interested in that because I can't do anything with that. There's no more cakes to be made. So the fact that there's another 6 eggs doesn't do me any good. What I'm interested in is how many times that 9 goes into the 78 before we are totally out, right? So 8 is the number here. We run out of eggs after we've used 72 of them. It's a little annoying. There's a lot of math here for just one question. But let's look at the math. Notice it's all just basic arithmetic. Subtraction, multiplication, division. This is not the kind of question you want to get wrong. So take your time, show your work, get the points.